Daniela.
And I'm Laura.
We're sisters.
We've lived in Sydney our entire lives, and today we're going to show you some of our favourite places.
Let's go.
This is Balmain. It's located 2 kilometres from the Sydney city.
Balmain was traditionally known as a working class suburb. Now it's known for its trendy cafes, pubs and clothing boutiques. The suburb of Balmain has changed over the years, but one thing that hasn't changed is the London Hotel.
The pub has been on the corner of Darling Street since the 1870s. You can enjoy a drink on the veranda and admire the stunning views of the Harbour Bridge. The COVID pandemic had a big impact on Balmain and Sydney in general. A lot of pubs, restaurants and cafes had to close and were only offering takeaway. Thankfully, our numbers are low and most things have gone back to normal now.
Now we're at Cockatoo Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
As you can see, there are still remains of the island's industrial past. For example, in World War II, it was the main ship repair facility in the Southwest Pacific.
After all the exploring on Cockatoo Island, we're now ready to eat. We're at Spice Alley, one of Sydney's hidden gems.
Let's go. Spice Alley was opened in September 2015. It's an outdoor Asian-inspired food hall where you can get a variety of food at a reasonable price.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope to see you soon in Australia.